What's up YouTube? This is the Wisco Boater channel. My name is Chad. Welcome to another episode of the Glasspar Tacoma 14 restoration project. I wasn't gonna video this, but I'm polishing the hull, and as you can see, there's a big difference between a polished section and the rest of the hull that's not yet done. So I think there's gonna be a pretty good transformation here. So I'm gonna go ahead and set up a time lapse of this, and hopefully it turns out good and we can see a really nice progressive transformation from the dull chalky gel coat that's been like that for many years to a shiny cream color off-white hull again. So let's watch a time lapse and hopefully this looks good. Let me just give an update here. I'm done with the starboard side. It's getting nice and shiny. I have not done the lower part of the hull there down towards the keel. I haven't done this side except for down here. Or on the darker side of the garage here, you can see a massive difference. So, yeah, looks awesome. All right, so in case you're wondering what I'm using to do this, this is my favorite polishing product. It is Flitz. This is good for metal, plastic, and fiberglass. It's a polish and paint restorer. It's great stuff. That's what I use on the big boat as well. So the process is to put this stuff on with kind of like you would a normal wax. The important thing to remember with this is the instructions on the back say this. Use sparingly, which I'm putting on a little bit more than I normally would, but this fiberglass, this gel coat is really chalky, and this stuff, chalky gel coat will soak this stuff up. And you don't want to let this stuff dry. So it's not like a wax where you put it on and let it haze and then buff it off. This stuff is the very first thing it says in the directions. Polish with a dry cloth, which I'm using a dry polisher. While Flitz is still moist, do not let dry. So you put it on, take it off before it dries. I might be using some Flitz sealant after I do the initial polish. We'll see. Some boats look better with it, some boats don't. Both of these products, the polish and the sealant, I believe, I know for sure the polish does, have ammonia in it, so it evaporates fairly quickly, so you can only do small sections at a time. So I'm doing about a 18 to 20 inch square piece as I go up and down the boat. So that's the process. It's great stuff. I'm not affiliated with them in any way. They don't pay me to say this. I just think it's a great product. I've been using it for many years. So polishing is completely done. Came out fantastic. I mean, better than I had hoped, actually. So I went down to the front bunk there and didn't do anything farther back on the bottom side, but this is just, it looks so good. Get the new registration numbers put on this weekend as well. And I'll get the Glasspar emblems put on this weekend. So I am extremely happy with the way that turned out. And I always forget to thank my in-laws for this polisher. This was a Christmas present from a few years ago, so thanks for this. It comes in handy all the time. Big boat, little boat, cars. I love this thing, so thanks for that. Thanks for watching this episode of the Wisco Boater channel. I wasn't anticipating to get an episode out of this, but here we go. Hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, send me some comments, and if you want to be notified when I'm posting videos like this one, hit that notification bell. We'll see you next time on the Wisco Boater channel. Happy boating, everybody.